Have I had a good time? I've had an amazing time here at Alfie Joey Summer School. I can just not believe how much I've gained in such a small amount of time. It feels like I've gone on a whole university course in confidence, and I don't think I'd have an issue being on stage again now. I've got that fear out the way, I've got my feedback, I know exactly where I'm at and I know exactly what to do to improve in the future, all in a matter of hours. So thank you, Alfie Joey, you have changed my life in a couple of hours, which I did not think was possible. So yeah, I've had an amazing time today and I really recommend it to anyone that's feeling a bit like me. I came here today because the last time I tried to do a pitch on stage, I was physically shaking, and this time round, with Alfie's advice, I was shaking my first go, but not at the end at all. So mission accomplished and feeling good.